I have bought this tabletop water fountain from Amazon, and to be honest, I am going to give you an honest review about this tabletop water fountain that I have actually bought from Amazon. So as you can see, this tabletop water fountain has 6 candles which are attached to this tabletop water fountain. When you will switch on this tabletop water fountain, the water starts gently flowing from one candle to another candle, and it looks so much peaceful, it looks so much cozy during at night. So as you can see, this tabletop water fountain is so much relaxing. The water sound is so much cozy, so much peaceful. To be honest, this is the best home decor product that I have bought for my home decor. As you can see, it looks so much beautiful at night. As you can see, I have placed this tabletop water fountain in the corner of my room. It looks so stunning, it looks so much beautiful. To be honest, this is the best home decor product. If you want to buy this tabletop water fountain, then I will provide the link in the description. You can buy this from Amazon.